Hello, welcome again to this tutorial of the MTN API, and remember we're still trying to see how the API works. Now right now we're going to talk about the test numbers for the sandbox. Alright, so I want to talk about test numbers. So when you go to the documentation and then you click on of course the introduction, and then you see test numbers here. Okay, you choose testing, sorry, and then you see test numbers. Now under test numbers, these are the numbers that you are supposed to use in the MTN sandbox doing your testing, but some of these numbers are interchanged. For example, you'll find that one number that is meant to give a response here is giving another response. For example, this is supposed to show that it is pending throughout, okay, but unfortunately here they wrote that it will, on ongoing, it will answer that it is pending for the first 30 seconds and then show success. Instead it is inversed with this one. So this one is the one that shows success after pending for 30 seconds. So take note of that, and do not forget that MTN has a WhatsApp group. All right, so this is the MTN Momo developers group, where you can find lots and lots of answers to most of the challenges. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe.